All right, so now we have our construction. So this is still section 10.1, the construction on how to construct a tangent to a circle. Okay, so first I need a circle to draw a tangent to. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to, here, center. Let's have the center be centered, circle centered at center C. And I'm going to just draw a circle with my compass. So let's put it at center C, circle. When I draw my circles, I'd much rather just spin my paper and make sure my circle gets all nice. Sorry, I have too much stuff on my desk. It helps to move everything off your desk when doing these, so you have tons of room. I'm gonna do it kind of dark, so when I see my circle. Okay, so there's my circle. So we're starting with my circle here, center C. So first thing I do is draw a segment and construct its bisector. So, but the segment, I want the segment to end at C. So I'm just gonna draw a big segment out here. I don't know, maybe that long. And let's call this endpoint CA. So we just constructed segment CA, and then now I'm going to ignore that circle and I'm just going to bisect this segment. Okay, so I'm going to bisect this. Basically, I'm looking for the midpoint of this segment. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to go over farther than halfway, do an arc above, arc below. Now without moving my compass, I'm going to come over to the other end of this segment, do the same thing. Arc above, arc below. Oh, I didn't make that one long enough. There we go. Okay. So now we can find the midpoint. So I'm going to then now find my midpoint. So connect those intersection points. And I'm just marking the midpoint. I'm not going to draw the whole perpendicular bisector in. Midpoint right there. Let's call that midpoint M. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to draw another circle that goes from M, but only goes so far out to C. So M to C. And I'm going to draw that circle. That circle should go through point A if you did it accurately enough. Okay. Okay, so now I constructed, so now here's my secondary circle. Again, our whole goal is to construct a tangent to this first circle here. Construct a tangent to this circle C. Okay, so now if you notice, there's these points where these two circles intersect. There's this point right here. Let's label this point, point B. Now if I draw a line from A through B, it will be tangent. So here is my tangent. So now we know that line AB is tangent to circle C. Okay. I could have used this point up here and done this tangent as well. Okay. Either way. Those are both tangent. Okay, so pretty straightforward construction. You draw a segment, find its midpoint, then draw that other circle, find the intersection, and there you have our tangent. Okay, now go ahead and jot down your practice. If you want to practice this construction a couple more times, come see me if you have questions.